Pasta Tuesday. What other day would it be? Pasta Tuesday. Yeah, Pasta Tuesday. Anyway, last time I got a sweat on doing the radius arms and I started to stick the dodo mat up on the door. Today it's peeing down with rain, absolutely bucketing down. I've still got leaks in this garage. We need a new roof on it one day, but I just haven't got time. But anyway, what we're going to try and attempt to do is recondition a radius arm today. We're going to ream the bronze bush and try and fit it. Yeah, that'd be a good start, wouldn't it? So yeah, we're trying to attempt to get one done. We'll see how we do. Maybe we get two done, but I'm just aiming for one at this moment in time. We'll do the other one the next night. And yeah, I've got a few other things I need to play with, but yeah, let's get the reaming tool and show everybody. Hey, radius arm. I need to put the quadrant on it before we forget, because I think that's a bit of a pain to do when we're in it. So yeah, basically as I said, there's a needle roller bearing down one end, and you have a brass or bronze bush that goes in the other end, or the other end, whichever one it is. And yeah, and then what you've got to do is that's slightly oversized, so technically the shaft shouldn't be able to go through, and what you're supposed to then do is ream them and just take them out a little bit. You know, it's like manual machining basically. And this is the tool that my dad made up. So it's basically part of an old pin. He's machined the end so it's square, so you've got either you can put a big T-bar onto the end, and yeah, and with a reamer on the end. And basically what you do, it's tapered slightly, so as you loosen this off and slide the reamer up and down, it changes its size slightly. And then yeah, he's made a bush that will go in the other end where the needle roller bearing goes, and that aligns it all, so it keeps this shaft square as it's going through the ream. Yeah, so we need to ream this before we put the needle roller bearing in. Dad's given me lots of lessons and lots of advice. Let's put some gloves on. What I'm going to just do is get a bit of rag and try and shove a bit of rag through the inside a bit, just to try and get rid of as much of the crap inside as I can inside. Just grease and bits where I've ground and welded and stuff. And then yeah, we'll get the bush tapped in, and then we can go from there. This one, I thought it did. Still got the original metal tube in it. They used to have a, yeah, see, metal tube. As I said, just to more block off the casting and everything. The later ones just come with a plastic tube. Whether it's better to keep the metal one in or not, I don't know, but looks like it's going rusty anyway, so yeah. Must be original. As I said, mostly just plastic tubes now. But we'll pop that in a bit. So let's set the reamer up now. Okay, bit of a carry on that. Get a few dislikes for doing that. So again, here we go. So that's our fits in there. That then aligns the shaft, and the reamer does the rest. Otherwise, what happens is you can end up floating around like that. You know. So that's what my dad's done. So He said be careful undoing these, otherwise the ream will fall to bits. So we're slacking it off just so it basically goes through first without really doing anything, and without reaming it, and then we'll just take it out a little bit at a time. Easier to take a bit more than it is to put any back on. Hopefully you can see what I'm doing. I'll do one in real time. So basically, in this instance, don't double check with all your reamers, but as it moves along it gets bigger further inwards. So basically I've moved it right out so it dropped through, and then I'm slowly moving it back. Just a couple of millimeters on the threads. Wind the other end in, tighten it up. Make sure there's quite a lot of crap off it. So the ream is slightly tapered anyway, so it always goes in. We put the bush in there. I don't have a T-bar, so that'll annoy my dad. So we've just got a 12mm spanner that we've put on the top. Ream it, a little bit of force for it to go down, but it sort of goes down anyway. And then all the way through, and then you can hear the sprinkle of brass or bronze or whatever it is. Back up we go, out it comes. Give it a bit of a clean at the bottom there. We can give it a good proper clean out in a minute once we know we've gone too far, and I hope either it just slips in there nicely or it falls through. Well, you don't want it to fall through, so again, I'm going very slowly. That's still not going in there. Double check it at the other end. No, still not going. Some more to be taken out. But yeah, that's what you do. Just keep doing it slowly and slowly till we get there. And we're done. It's in. Reamed. Pardon the expression. Oh, excellent. Oh, going through glass like no one's business. Time to put the other bearing in the other end now and build it up. Plastic tube in first, slightly tapered, put it in from the bigger end obviously, and that just needs tapping down and hopefully it will fall into the hole, and then the needle roller can be tapped in. Try and get it square and don't damage it. And there we go. Done. Obviously nuts come off to actually mount it, but we're there. I might pop the knuckle joint in while again, another hole in the bottom of these, keep an eye out for that, just a little air hole to stop, allow it to, the knuckle joint to go on. Let me go see if I can find the quadrants. I don't think I've got them. because I think I need to get that on before it goes on the car, otherwise I'm never going to be able to get them on. I don't think you can get the bolt in. I could be wrong. But anyway, and I think we'll build up all the disc brakes and everything once it's actually on the car. No need to do it while it's on the table, I don't think. It doesn't make any difference for me. Alright, I can't find my handbrake quadrant, so I'm just going to pop the radius arm on for the moment. There's a few things I want to check, other things, other projects, some other secret videos, and it gets the radius arm out of the way. And I won't get the bolts up tight, so at least it will just I can do it, you know, I can just get it out of the way. It just stop tripping up it, and I can whip it off when I need to. Alrighty, radius arm on. I think I can actually get the handbrake quadrant once I find them. But yeah, so that's good. Another part. Nearly at the point where we can actually bolt the wheel on once we knock all the brakes on it and everything and get all the drums on. So I picked up some. I think some drums came with the. I can't remember. But anyway, I picked up some drums the other day. I don't know if someone could tell me. I'm pretty sure the front drums are the same as the rear drums. So if they're not, let me know. And I've got 4 drums, so I don't know what they are. I picked them up. So yeah, that's good. Yeah. So it's gonna have a bit of a time for a bit of a play now with my other idea. And yeah, let's do a bit of tinkering. Alright. Till next time, guys. Hope that was super exciting for you guys. Yeah. And we're really getting close to the 10,000 mark now. Keep an eye out, you never know. And then I'll finish the giveaway, pick some winners, and then we get those prizes out to everybody. Till next time, bye.